Hello everyone, we are from Group 3 of Pricing Strategy AMP, Tactics of IB30 going to talk about how do employee professional grade level and certifications influence price charges on products or services. So, let us all delve into this topic together. The professional grade level and certifications of employees significantly influence product and service pricing. Higher professional grades and specialized qualifications can support higher pricing points, as they demonstrate improved abilities, productivity, and industry understanding. This relationship affects businesses' value proposition, consumer perceptions, and market positioning. In the technology sector, highly trained individuals with advanced degrees can charge more for their services, demonstrating their proficiency and competency. As the marketplace becomes more competitive, strategic emphasis on employee qualifications will continue to be crucial for differentiation and business success. We shall move on to the specifics. One of the ways to examine the relationship between the employee professional grade level and pricing is to study the effects. This way, we can see how the effects may influence the final price of products and services. One of the effects the employee professional grade level has in terms of pricing is how much salary a firm must pay. A higher grade level corresponds to a higher pay, and this may influence firms to increase their prices. Another effect is that firms might conduct training to increase their workforce's grade level. Firms would have to cover the costs of training if it was done under their initiative. Other than that, firms might also pay more to employees with specialized skills. Lastly, an increase in productivity means that firms might be able to economize some of the processes, which might result in a decrease in prices. Therefore, it can be concluded that the employee professional grade level has a strong effect on pricing, where a higher grade level may influence firms to price their products and services higher. Let's continue with the next idea: how employee certificate influence pricing. Certifications can make your business seem more trustworthy, letting you charge more. But if they're new or unknown, customers might not care. Companies also need to consider the cost of training. Companies might consider employee certifications a magic bullet to raise prices, but it's not that simple. While certifications can signal to customers that a company has qualified workers and potentially better products or services, the strategy can backfire. If the certifications are new or obscure, customers might be confused and unwilling to pay a premium. Furthermore, companies need to factor in the cost of training and accreditation. If these costs are too high, raising prices to compensate might not make sense financially. Conclusion: certifications can be a valuable tool to build trust and credibility, but companies should carefully consider customer awareness and internal costs before using them as a justification for higher prices.
In today's competitive marketplace, businesses understand the critical importance of customer perception. How customers evaluate the expertise of the staff they interact with significantly affects their purchasing decisions, particularly regarding pricing. Customers rely on various indicators to assess an employee's level of expertise. Titles within a company, such as lead or senior, imply a higher degree of experience and expertise. Industry-specific certifications further signify a commitment to ongoing education and specialized training. However, an employee's manner, communication skills, and attention to detail during interactions also play crucial roles in establishing trust and perceived competence. In a nutshell, the way consumers perceive employee expertise profoundly impacts their pricing decisions. By investing in qualifications and effectively communicating them, businesses can command premium pricing and maintain a competitive edge.
Competitive advantage through employee qualifications is vital in modern corporate strategy, particularly in industries where human capital is crucial. Highly qualified employees offer specialized skills and knowledge that can set a business apart from its competitors. Employees with higher professional grade levels and certifications often have specialized skills and in-depth knowledge in their respective fields. This allows businesses to offer high-quality products or services that differentiate them from competitors. With high expertise and specialization, employees are also able to provide efficient technical support to customers and solve problems quickly and effectively. This will improve the reputation of the business and ensure high customer satisfaction. In conclusion, employee qualifications are integral to gaining a competitive edge. High professional grades and recognized certifications not only boost customer confidence but also drive long-term success. By prioritizing the quality and skills of their workforce, businesses can ensure sustainable growth and maintain a strong market position.
Government rules and regulations are like the rules of a game. They're there to make sure everyone plays fair and nobody gets hurt. These rules affect things like how skilled workers need to be and how much stuff costs. They're meant to keep customers safe and make sure the economy stays steady. But sometimes, they can make things a bit more complicated or expensive for businesses. Overall, though, they're important to keep everything running smoothly and prevent any cheating. Government regulations impact how the economy operates. They establish pricing to prevent unfairness and ensure that employees are paid properly. Import and sales taxes have an impact on the cost of goods. Environmental regulations require firms to spend more money to be eco-friendly, which might result in higher pricing for consumers. Healthcare regulations determine how much we spend for medication and therapy. Professionals require permits to show their ability, which promotes trust but costs time and money. Workplace safety standards keep people safe, yet also increase corporate costs. Immigration restrictions influence who can work where, affecting how firms employ. In conclusion, government regulations on product prices and labor laws are critical to the economy. While these restrictions are intended to protect customers and ensure fairness, they can also increase the cost of producing goods.
All in all, employee qualifications and certifications significantly influence pricing in today's competitive market. Skilled employees are more likely to be willing to pay more for services, as customers trust businesses with their expertise. Government regulations, such as tax laws and safety mandates, also impact costs. Immigration laws can affect hiring practices. Companies that prioritize qualified and knowledgeable employees have an advantage over competitors. Costs are influenced by laws like tax laws and safety standards, and immigration restrictions can affect labor supply. Therefore, businesses should prioritize employee credentials and understand regulations to stand out in the market.